Okay, now we will do taking off for the reinforcement of stump. Okay, so let us look the detailing of the reinforcement in the stump, the structure stump. So we know that this is the stump. Okay, below ground beam and top of the pad footing. So for stump, also consists of two parts, which is main bar and also the link. So the detailing of the main bar, we can see that given 40-20. Okay, so 40-20, 40-20, sorry, 40-16, 40-16. Okay, and the link detailing is R8, R8 spacing 150. Okay, so that is the detailing. Okay, we will start with the first one, which is the main bar. Right, so the main bar. So we see that the detailing of the reinforcement for the main bar is 40-16. Okay, 40-16. So we need to calculate length of one steel. Okay, length of one steel. So let's look the part here. Okay, so the length of stump is including, or the length is from here, okay, until this part. Okay, so meaning to say that the reinforcement of stump, okay, include or need to be connect to the reinforcement of the pad footing, okay, and also it will have the starter bar here, which is known as lapping. So this lapping will be tied with the reinforcement of the column. So this part is the column. Okay, so how to calculate? Alright, given the length is 1.8, okay, so we see here given 1.8, okay, this part until this part, okay, 1.8. So you need to plus with lapping, so plus lapping, which is 40D. 40D, D is the diameter, 16, so 0.016, so we get 0.64. So settle 1.8 plus 0.64, you will get 2.44. Right, 2.44. So 2.44 is the length from here till the bottom here. Okay, this part. Okay, so we need to minus with the cover. So we have one cover here. So minus one cover. So your cover is only one because from the drawing it shows only this part. Okay, it is one cover. So cover is 0.03. So minus with 0.03. So 2.44 minus 0.03, you will get 2.41. Okay, 2.41. But as you can see here, there are two sides of reinforcement, okay, which is the reinforcement for the back footing. So the size of the reinforcement is T20. So T20. So T20 X direction, T20 Y direction. So you need to minus because the reinforcement of the stump is located on top of this 2 diameter of reinforcement. Okay, so you need to minus 2 T20. Okay, to T20. Okay, which is 2 times 0.02, so 0.04. So you minus with 0.04. So we get 2.37. Okay, not complete yet because as you can see here there is one bend. Okay, one bend. So you need to plus this bend because of the types of steel is T. So your bend will be 5.5 D. So again the diameter is 0.016. So the value here is 0.088. So you plus, you will get the value 2.458. So this is the length of one steel. Okay, length of one steel. Okay, so next we want to calculate the total length. Okay, total length of steel. So what we need to do, okay, again we need to write numbers of structure 1. So there are 4 numbers of main bar. There are 4 numbers of main bar which is given here. Okay, 4 is given here, 4016. So 4 numbers of steel. Length of one steel is 2.458. So we can calculate the total length of steel is 2.458 times numbers of steel, 4 numbers of structure 1, you will get 9.832. 9.832. So 9.832 meter T16. So that is the length of reinforcement in the stump. Okay, for this part, you need to pay attention at this part, alright? So you need to check the size of the reinforcement for the pad footing. In this case, both are T20. Okay, so that's why we times 2. Okay, but if let's say the value of the steel here is 16 and 20, for example, so what you need to do, okay, you need to multiply, you need to minus 2.41 minus 0.016, okay, 1 size, and the other size is 0.02, so you need to minus 0.016. Next, you need to minus with 0.02, okay, and the rest is the same. Okay, this is where students always make mistake. Okay, so next we will calculate the length, okay, in the stump. Okay, so for stump, the detailing is R8150. Okay, R is type, 8 is diameter, 150 is the spacing. Okay, so we start with length of one link. So the size of your stump is given, which is 0.125, 0.45. So this is the, we call it the main bar, and this is the tie, which tie the main bar, and there is a hook. Okay, in this case, types of reinforcement is R. So value of hook, we will use 12D. Okay, so 12D, the diameter 12D, right? So same as how we calculate the ties just now. Okay, so same approach. We know that there is cover, so value of cover is 0.03, so there is 2 cover, so we need to calculate the length of this part, okay, which same with this part, and the other one is this one, which have the same length with this part, right? So 0.125 minus 2 cover, so you will get 0.065, and then you times with 2-sided, so you will get 0.13. Okay, so 0.13. So the other side, calculate by your own. Okay, so another part is we get 0.78, whereby we minus 0.45 minus to cover, you get this length, so we multiply by 2 because there is two-sided, so 0.3, 0.13 plus 0.78, we get 0.91, then you plus with hook, which is 2 times 12D. D is 0.008. Okay, so you will get 0.9192. Okay, so you total up, you will get 1.102. So this is the length of one steel. Okay, so next we will calculate numbers of link. In order to calculate numbers of link, we will use this formula. Okay, this formula. Okay, so now we are going to address or identify the length required link. So length required link. So in this case, we look at the drawing. So given R8 will be arranged in this length. Okay, so we need to calculate the length, required length. So given from the drawing 1.8, so 1.8, okay, you need to minus the ground beam thickness, which is 0.45. Okay, you minus with one cover at the bottom here, one cover, so cover is 0.03, and you know that there are two sides of reinforcement for the pad footing, which is 2T20, so 2T20, so you will get the value 1.28. So 1.28 is the length required. Okay, length. Okay, so now we can proceed to get numbers of length, which is 1.28 divided by the spacing, which is 0.15 plus 1, so you will get the value is 9.53. So take 10, right? So for safety purposes, we take more. Okay, we will take 10. So now we can calculate the total length of link. Okay, so total length of link. So to calculate total length of link, okay, so what you need to write in the times in column, numbers of structure, which is 1. So numbers of link that you have calculated is 10. So length of one link is 1.102. So you calculate the total length is 11. 1.102 times 10 times 1, you will get the value 11.02. So 11.02 meter R8. So this is the total length of link in this particular structure. Okay, 11.2. Okay, so if let's say numbers of link given, okay, for example, given 8 R 8150. Okay, if given R 8150, so this step is not applicable. You only proceed to calculate after getting the length of one link, you proceed to total length of link. Okay, that's it. Thank you.